Forget your run-of-the-mill chocolate and flowers. We're getting creative this Valentine's Day with some delicious guilt-free treats. California Live's Jobeth Devera is live in San Mateo getting recipes that won't ruin your diet. That's the best part, Jobeth. They're also easy to make last minute, right?
Yes, you're absolutely right on all those levels, Danny. And you know, this day it's usually synonymous with loads of chocolate and sweets and baked goods, but who's to say those things can't be healthy for you, which is why we called up our girl Ashley here to give us these guilt-free recipes. And Ashley, I love when you come on the show because you always give me new ideas for my baby girl and what I can make for her. So what do we've got today?
All right, well, you're so right that when we think of Valentine's Day, we think of a lot of chocolates and sweets, but did you know that a lot of Americans, in fact, only 20% are eating the recommended amount of fruit each day?
And fruit's got surprised.
I know, but you know what? Fruit's got so many good things, and it's got all the fiber that we need. So I want to show you a handful of recipes that not only incorporate fruits, but they're also less than 5 ingredients. So they're easy to make, and they're also really fun to make with kids.
Speaking my language. So what do we have first?
Let's get started. Up first, we're going to make these adorable fruit kebabs.
Okay.
So you can help me. We're going to take these little sticks, and then we're going to add our grapes. We're going to add some blueberries, some strawberries, and then we also have some little cheese bites that we've used our little heart cutout here, and we have gone ahead and we've cut little heart shapes out of them. So in this little snack, you're going to be getting all of the natural fiber from the fruit, and you're also going to be getting a little bit of protein.
And you can use any fruit to your liking, right?
Exactly. So you can see what you have on hand. Like, you don't need to go and buy a bunch of different things. If you've got cantaloupe in your fridge, you could even use cantaloupe, you know, whatever comes to mind.
Yeah.
And then what a cute little treat is this to come home to. You could pair it with some flowers.
I like that.
And how adorable is that? And it's also fun for your kids to be able
and it's like a game for them to eat it off the stick, right?
Exactly. And we really want to give our kids autonomy whenever we have the chance to try different things. So let's move over here where we're going to do that again.
Okay.
All right. So this is a stuffed strawberry cheesecake bar.
What?
I love everything about this.
Okay.
Exactly. First of all, I love cream cheese in general, and I always want to find a way to make it work for me. So we're making our own version of a strawberry cream cheese.
Okay.
We've got a whipped cream cheese here, and then we're going to add in some freeze-dried crushed strawberries.
Okay.
You could put these in your food processor to crush them a little more finely, or my daughter likes to just put them in a bag, and we take the back of a baking spoon or something and crush them on up.
So what's the difference between doing this and just buying a strawberry flavored cream cheese at the store?
Great question. So we want to really be conscious of added sugars whenever we can, Jobeth, because a lot of us are eating way too much added sugar.
Yeah.
And there's a difference between the natural sugars that we get in fruit or something like that, the freeze-dried fruit, versus the added sugar, and that's the added sugar we want to be aware of. Strawberry preserve from the store is usually going to have at least 4 grams of added sugar.
I always look for the added sugars. Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm going to try not to get
Try to avoid it. We really only want to be eating about 24 grams of added sugar each day. And we usually hit that number by noon. So we want to find ways to cut back where we can.
Okay.
But as I say that, there's also everything in moderation, including moderation, right?
True.
So when you're able to cut back on the added sugars in your strawberry cream cheese, then you can top it with some graham crackers or a couple chocolate chips.
Just dip it. Ooh, look at that.
How cute is that, right?
Cute.
And these are so yummy, and they're also filling and hydrating when you bite into them thanks to the strawberries.
I love that.
So you can also serve this just as a dip on the side with some little graham crackers or make a little fruit bar out of it.
The great thing is you can put them in the fridge and you can eat it tomorrow and the next day and the next day.
I snack on these all day, and they also go great on their own, or you can add them.
These caught my eye, Ashley. So what's this?
Okay, all right. So this is our strawberry oat bar. This is kind of a mix of a baked oatmeal and then an oat bar. But what I love about it is one of the biggest barriers to at-home cooking are things like having to do the dishes. I'm always happier when there's less dishes to do, right? Okay, so get this. This is just a 1-pan oat bar.
Okay,
so what we've done here is we put our mashed up banana in here. Then from there, we're going to add in about a cup of ground oats. You can go ahead and start stirring.
Okay.
You can use this spoon if it's a little hardier.
Oh, yes. Let's do that.
Then we're going to add in a little bit of peanut butter. I'll let you keep stirring. And then we're going to add in the ground flaxseed.
Just a little bit. Okay.
Once again, these are a lot of things we already have in our pantry. And then you want to, we've got some chocolate chips because we've got to have those natural sugars from the fruit, but then we can have the added sugars from the chocolate, and that's dark chocolate.
Really, you're eyeballing the consistency,
exactly.
right?
Then we've got some almond milk over there. Go ahead and pour that in. And I'm going to grab these strawberries.
And
what we're going to do is layer. Exactly. So once this gets nice and thick, we're kind of going to coat the pan with it. From there, we would put our strawberries on top.
And this is the
exactly.
final.
And when it comes out, it's just those 5 ingredients. You're going to bake it at 350. And how cute are those? is, and they're so yummy.
I think I'm going to do this.
Yes, and again, you can use this as a breakfast, as a baked oatmeal, or as a dessert or a snack.
And
one pan, easy to go.
Thank you so much, Ashley. Guilt-free goodies this Valentine's Day, Danny. There you go. Happy V-Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day to you ladies. Thank you.